What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Extras here, and I'm back at it with another video. Hey man, Johnny's back, and Johnny's here to kill, and he don't play no games, man. Bro, I have a build that people probably kind of sleep on because they don't have scout, they don't have fired up. But man, when you have 50 savagery and 50 endurance, you don't really need it at all, bro. Then my perk, bro, easily tucked out, bro. Your attacks are 30% less stamina. Uses 30% less stamina, I'm sorry. But the stamina regeneration is 40% slower. Bro, trust me. When you see a victim and you start to run and get to swinging, my boy, you could swing forever. You could swing forever like there is no tomorrow. And I'm loving it. Then this match was serrated. Like, bro, the victims is not running from you with this build. And I'm just being honest. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Turn on your post notifications. You feel me? Really be honest about the build. Let me know what you guys think. Johnny is really he just like, it's just too easy when Johnny see you. Like it's like, now you there, now you're not. Really just dangerous. Enjoy the video, man. I love y'all. Peace.
That's what I get for taking it easy on them.
Let's get it. Let's see what we can find, man. Jeez. Let me see. Get this up out the way. Latch that one. Latch that one. Run and break both of them. Get them out the way. Okay, that's out the way. Let's do this too. Oh shit, I probably have to come back and do that. Shit. Let's see if I can go catch a body with Leatherface. I ain't gonna stay down too long though. Sound like he coming up. So he coming up. You scared, bro? Move, bro.
Don't worry.
That's crazy. That's crazy how the game works. That's so crazy how the game is working. Come here. Don't run. Don't run from me. Don't run from me. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Trust me. I'm gonna go up because I got two people for 400 points. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up.
You know, I was actually kind of fond of that girl. I didn't really want to hurt her. Oh, you ain't getting away.
Leatherface didn't cut the things down there, so it don't even make sense for me to even chase, to be honest. I'm gonna check suicide. The car I run into. You going? Oh yeah, I know it hurt. Oh yeah. Oh, they both over there, huh? Interesting. 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 Where's the
Everybody's time comes eventually.
The others are okay.
Them boys upstairs, big dude. Yeah, come on. Come on, let's get it. Autobots, assemble. Bleeding. I ain't go this way.
You're all gurgling
Ain't
no
fault
guts.
trust.
I thought you were tougher than that. insides before this night's through.
I seen somebody run over here. I ain't gonna cap. Somebody is around here. I think it's like Danny. Look at him. Look at him. Look at Leland. Look at Leland. Let me get my stamina back.
I'm gonna find you. I will.
You just open the box. Another face you don't know. Alright, anyway. Alright, you gonna check that side. Let me go to better. Somebody still upstairs in the mill. They just love it up there, huh?
You wanna know how your friend died? I can show you.
They still playing in the mill.
Come on back now. Got something I want to show you.
Oh, you done fucked up. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Ain't none of that. I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere, bro. Everywhere, bro. You been running from me all that time just to go die. I heard it. I heard it. You trying to do it silently. I heard it. Too late. Too late, brother. Come on. Come through. Come through. Come through. You not gonna come through? I know you there. Damn, my team don't know though. Here it is. 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 Where you going? Where you going? You really play with me? You really just tried that in my face? Don't lose yourself. Don't lose it. Look at this. Got his hands. Okay. Let me go check on that bit, bro. Let me go check on that bit, bro. Yo. I know that wasn't no person I just seen. I know that wasn't. Oh my God. Did I just see a person? Baby, I know you're not going to my grandpa. I know you're not. Let me tell you something about my headset. That bitch work, motherfucker. It works. Let me see. I go give grandpa some of that jigger juice. I think she talked to my grandpa already.
The bad man's
Oh, she did.
And you
She didn't talk to Gramps. Gramps, she put her lips on. She put her lips on your ear. He wouldn't tell me. He probably like that. Yeah, she ain't got her filthy fingers on her. That's good. I don't see nothing over there. Oh yeah, you done messed up, blood. Blood.
Quit stalling.
You might as well go ahead. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. Go ahead. Just well. Let me get some stamina, brother. Let me get some stamina, brother. Let me guess you gonna use your get your ass up. Get your ass up. Ooh. I wonder if I have to turn on my sensitivity a little bit. When I be swinging, that's just the hitbox. You just lose the fucking swing assist. They know. Every time they feel that slash, that motherfucker hurting. I know it's hurting. Ooh, Lord have mercy, baby. You gonna come straight to me too? Fucking dead. You fucking dead. You fucking dead. Ooh! Wait. You dead. You're not making it nowhere. That no cell saving your life, baby. That no cell saving you. Let's see if it's gonna work for you now. Come on. I can't see nothing.
Here you go.
Give you some of that little shit, big dog.
The bad man's in me. And you're gonna meet him real soon.
Other side. That would be smart.
Oh, you ain't getting away.
Oh, no. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I'm smart. I'm smart. Come on! What is wrong with you? Yeah, brother, just leave the game after that one. I don't even know how you thought you were about to outspam me, big dog. It gets critical around here, big dog.
I knew I should have handled this myself. I'll fix it.
Let's see what we can find here, man. Let's see what we can find. What the fuck is wrong with you, bitch? Okay. 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 That's all I'm gonna tell you is okay. I'll see you again. I'll see you again, teammate. I'm a shit. I'm a shit. Remember, and I'm a fuck over you. I ain't even out to fucking shit yet, bro.
If Grandpa was able, this would be over by now. I better go feed him. Well, don't run. Oh, this'll be simple.
What's wrong with you? Don't play with me. It happened to you like that, baby. It happened to you like that. I'm sorry. Sorry it had to happen to you like that.
Go ahead.
It
ain't gonna matter. Oh, you leaving so soon?
See what the rest.
Hey, you okay? You seem to have lost a bit of blood.
Both of y'all right here, huh? Yep, I wanted that to get out the way. I needed that out the way. Now y'all both dead. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now? Y'all both can't go. Y'all okay? That's what I'm talking about with that Johnny shit. I can't. Let's see what you gonna do, bro. Am I not swinging on him? Am I not swinging on him? Like, stop playing on the game. Stop playing on me. Junior, I'm coming. I hope you know I'm coming over there.
That's it. Now.
Julie, baby, I hope you not still looking, dog. I don't think that's your footprints. Oh, have mercy. She was smart enough to run off. Oh, what are you doing, dog? What are you doing? What are you doing? You done fucked up. You done fucked up so bad. You done fucked up so. What are you doing? You don't like, bro. Yeah. Appreciate that. GG's, baby.
You're gonna look real nice. I knew I should have handled this myself. I'll fix it.
Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we got. Hopefully my teammates know what they doing, man. I got like 4 bad games back to back, and I'm not fucking with that.
Put those ears of yours to use already. Where are you?
I love seeing all of that type of shit right there, though. I love seeing that. Hopefully, let's see if they really as good as they seem to be. Let me lock that. I'm gonna do my ditty. Let's go have some fun. That's crazy. See? 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 That's crazy. Just destroy the hitbox.
Let's see where you scurried off.
Damn, bro. Damn. 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 Gonna leave you alone, baby. I'm gonna leave you alone. Connie, baby. Come on. Just come straight to me. Bro, what is it? Bro, come on. Time out. The game literally just seemed... Okay. Thank you. Stop playing with me, son. I just did the same thing 3 times. One time it didn't work, the second time it worked. Did it again, didn't work, now it works. It's like it's turning it on and off. Like, stop doing that. Just play the game. I understand people crying about Johnny is too strong. Let him be. That's how it's supposed to be. Man, I know I didn't just see Cook, but let's have a moment of silence for Cook for doing this. Let's have a moment of silence. Alright, we back. Because, like, I just don't understand the brain dead activities, bro. Like, bro, y'all gotta do better than that, bro. You have to do better than that. That's not even funny. I ain't gonna lie, that's not even a joke. Let me talk to you, baby. Talk to you. I ain't gonna count. You not making it wherever you think you going. I'm sorry, baby. You like I can't see you, but I can see you. I can see you though, baby. You're not running from me. I'm sorry. This build is crazy. I know. I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. You gotta lay it down. You on my property. Trespassing is not even a thing over here. I don't think I have to check that. I just heard a gate open. Bro, that's these 2 dudes, bro. Huh? How both of my teammates over there in the generator off? Huh?
It's alright.
Is that possible?
Big boy's gonna be wearing your face soon enough. After I'm done.
I don't think that's possible, right?
Now, where did you go? Don't worry.
Damn, baby. Damn. Damn.
I'll take this.
Okay, save her, baby. Save her. That's a death by bleed out if you ask me, I think. Oh, no, she getting up. She getting up. But she ain't get incapacitated earlier. Look at this. Look at this big brain play. What you doing? Dude, get out of my way, son! Please! Fuck! What are you doing? I knew that's all he was about to do is run in the house. What you gonna do? What you gonna do now? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bro, give me the hitbox! Oh my god! No hitbox. Never. Never. It's like you can literally see they turn it on and off.
Time to play. It's time.
Alright. This headset probably not even on this head yet. I'm here. Where you at? Yellow, off that battery side, Yellow. Don't let them come through there, Yellow.
Oh my god.
I'm on that.
Oh my god.
I'm on it. Don't worry about it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Yeah. She came straight to me.
Look, you're gonna want this to end fast. Trust me on that.
What, they broke your door down there? Oh, I should come off from behind them, huh? Ooh, that would be crazy. That's Anna. She trying to fight me. She coming right up behind them. That's crazy. She bringing me straight to them. That's so fucked up. Virginia is upstairs. She came with the ladder. Yellow, 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 yellow. Push that. Push generator, Yellow. Catch you up with the duck. Did he run to the front yard? I'm pulling up right now.
You ever watch someone die?
I'm pulling up.
You ain't never. This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling.
Maria coming too. I see Maria. I'm on her ass. Right here on me. On me, on me, on me, on me. Dead motherfucker. Well, that no cell was working, huh? She was eating them motherfuckers. I think somebody opened battery. Let me see, I'm checking. I might be wrong. You can turn the generator back on?
I can show you.
Battery good, battery good, battery good. Alright.
I'm gonna see your insides before this night's through.
Under Johnny Shed. I see it.
Listen now. Everybody's time comes eventually.
Damn, that bitch was fast as fuck.
Good try, though.
We really a murder team. That's a bet. Ladder. Yep, I seen her. Yep. On the wheel. We closed the garage.
Delaying the inevitable. You hear me?
Oh shit. I'm fucking up. I don't miss. I do this shit. I do this. I don't miss. I'm sorry, baby. I had to happen to you like this. Man down. Man down.